Sketch the curve with the given polar equation by first sketching the graph in rectangular coordinates. Let's go ahead then and draw this graph in rectangular coordinates. And so our horizontal axis is theta, vertical axis r. We're going to be graphing cosine theta that is shifted up 1. So the period for cosine theta is going to be 2 pi. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3. The fourth one's going to be our period of 2 pi. So this one's going to be pi, and this tick mark would be pi over 2. It looks like we need to go as high as 1 and negative 1. But we are going to have a vertical shift up 1, so we're going to put another, we need to go another one up here. So what we're going to do is essentially I'm going to make a dashed line because it will oscillate around this line because everything is shifted up 1. So as I put the cosine on, normally at 0 the cosine is 1, but I'm shifted up 1. Then in the next fourth it would be at its intercept, but shifted up 1. And then minimum, shifted up 1. Here we go. And then we are back to our maximum here. So here is the graph in our rectangular coordinate system. Now we're going to put it on a polar graph. And so first of all, we're going to look at our key points so that we can put these on here. And at 0, we see we are at 2. So we're going to be coming out as far as 2 here. And so at 0, we're going to put the point 2. And then we see as we get to pi over 2, we decrease to 1. So at pi over 2, we need to be at 1. So we're going to come around like this. And then we see from pi over 2 to pi we decrease until we get to 0. So we're going to continue around and be at 0 when we are looking at pi. And then we see from pi to, this is 3 pi halves, we increase to 1 again. So we're going to be at 1 and 3 pi halves. So as we swing around, we're going to be increasing here. And then from 3 pi halves to 2 pi, we increase to 2. So we see that we have a cardioid, and we essentially just draw this graph and then see what we get here. So here we have a cardioid.